Hi y'all, I'm doing a really quick video just to show you. Right here they call it a geriatric bib, but instead of it just being that, I use it for a lot of stuff, because for me, when I cook or when I'm making stuff, generally things to be messy. I have some nacho cheese here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm putting them inside of one of the bags I got. These are the 6x8 bags, which also Webstaurant also sells. So I'm putting it in here, and a lot of times when I'm doing things, I tend to mess myself up. So I'm actually kind of neat right now. I'm doing a good job. But like when I do stuff, like for example, if I end up touching some of the cheese or I put some of it on here and some of it gets on me, what I always end up doing is, like for example, I end up, touching my clothes with it, and then, I get dirty. And I can just wipe my hands off, and I can easily be able to just keep going. So I'll put that aside, and I'll grab another bag, and it's just nice because whenever I put it on, my bib gets dirty and I don't. So if I'm touching meat or something, because I got oil on my hands right now, I can easily just be able to do this right here, keep going, and instead of having to worry about washing it, all I have to do is just put it, throw it away, and keep on going. So for me, these are very useful. I can be able to easily do this, or when I'm done, I can easily just be able to take it off, and I can, because it's plastic right here, and then the other part's paper, I can easily be able to just wipe it off after I've taken it off, and then I can, of course that's not clean, I'll go ahead and then just sanitize and clean my workstation. But you see, my clothes are clean, this is done, and I can easily just be able to throw it away and have no cheese on me, and I can get back to hanging out with my family. So these are the bibs.